Racing just is started. We have Mesmerize, break, weekly at start, moving up sweet na sweet, and on the inside, Chiclet, head honcho, master's degree, and on the outside comes Zymax, and then followed over by Citonet Thunder. Visionary comes next, moving up down on the inside is Robin Good, winner take all, Brandy Budge second last, while Decent Proposal is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Mesmerized by about 3 lengths. Right behind in second is Head Honcho. And down on the inside, Chiclet. Alongside now is IMAX. Visionary is down on the inside, Pip. Then next on line is Sweet na Sweet, Master's Degree. And next on line now is Thunder. Alongside is entry number 3. And this one is Robin Good. Back to the leader, we have Mesmerized. And on the outside now is Head Honcho. Visionary comes next. Moving up now is Zymax. Chiclet, Master's Degree. Tonetta. Likewise, moving up on the outside. Thunder is down on the inside. Robin Good, Sweet na Sweet, winner take all. Brandy Badge, while Decent Proposal is still racing less than as they swing for home. The lead now belongs to Citonetta. Head Honcho in the middle. Mesmerize Zymax is on the outside port with about 150 meters more to run. We have Citonet followed by IMAX in second, Head Honcho, Thunder, and finally it's going to be Citonet. Second is IMAX, then comes Thunder, Head Honcho, Brandy.
Mukhang may